Cuddled up in a corner of the stunning Texas Hill Country is the enchanting town of Fredericksburg. Founded by German settlers, this historic burg oozes country charm with its nostalgic main street and dozens of adorable shops.
I love it.
We love it too. In fact, Southern Living just named this place the best small town in Texas.
So yeah, I just think it's a great location.
It's also the perfect location to open a restaurant like Rathskeller.
All this is all original, the glass.
And the operating room was right up here.
Entrepreneurs Tula and Sean Smystra created the restaurant of their dreams in the cellar of this century-old hospital.
And just to squash any rumors, this wasn't the morgue. It was just storage. It was just storage.
It was never the morgue.
Yeah.
Tula and Sean serve up to die for scratch-made bites, like cornmeal-crusted salmon with buttery lemon caper sauce and hearty smoked turkey Reubens on pumpernickel bread. Rathskeller's is a labor of love and has been for the past 18 years.
It helps also that we were both raised with our parents having our own businesses, and we know good work ethic.
Talk about work ethic. You're open breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 6 days a week.
Well, this is pretty interesting because it's actually the only restaurant that I know that's underground.
We're very hidden.
But boy, it speaks to your success because this place is always crowded, has been for years.
This menu is packed with bites to please every palate. Meat lovers will drool over this juicy 13-ounce Angus ribeye, set on a pool of bacon, jalapeno, and mushroom sauce.
All the steaks are hand cut, and all the sauces are made from scratch.
The Oak House eggs are a popular tasty twist on Eggs Benedict. 2 perfectly poached eggs over beef tenderloin, smothered in smoky salsa.
That makes really good.
So is Rathskeller's take on Greek salad. Crisp mixed greens with many mounds of hummus, olive tapenade, feta cheese, and a heap of grilled chicken.
I love the tapenade and the hummus, and it's just perfect.
Rathskeller's also wows with its authentic German dishes. Chef Glenn Young is a Fredericksburg native.
My grandmother gave me a German cookbook written in German script.
Can you read it?
I can read it. I can understand it fairly well.
He can cook it well, too. The Jaeger Schnitzel with veal is a bestseller.
Veal is not cheap, but it is way better. So that's why, if you're going to do it right. Don't trim a corner and put, anything else in there.
The real showstopper here, the one dish that beats out all the rest, is one you probably won't find anywhere else.
It is her peach bread pudding. It is a special dish.
And you've got to try the peach bread pudding.
This dessert is getting our kids through college, let me tell you. It is it.
It's that good.
We make bets with customers. If you don't like it, we'll pay for it. You don't have to pay for it.
One taste and you'll beg for more. Think of a pot of sweet peaches, loads of butter, heavy cream, homemade whipped cream, and a delicious caramel sauce.
How much butter is in this, Tula?
A lot.
So I think there's probably 80 sticks of butter in it or something, but it is so good.
There's a lot to love here, all right. Like Rathskeller's best-selling savory dish, the Chicken Artichoke. It starts with a pounded, seasoned chicken breast, sizzling in a hot pan.
Is this one of those one-pan wonders?
Yes.
I love those.
In go the artichokes and some tangy capers.
It's starting to smell really good.
White wine and lemon juice give it some brightness, while a complex compound butter made with garlic, paprika, chili powder, and Tabasco elevates that flavor profile to a whole new level.
This looks fantastic. I think I would make that compound butter and keep it around and use it on a lot of things. That is fantastic.
Thank you.
Getting a little hint of that compound butter, I think I could eat it out of the bowl. That stuff's good.
It's all good at Rathskeller's, a unique downstairs dining experience in one of America's most awesome small towns.
Rathskeller is an amazing restaurant. Tula is wonderful. Rathskeller is honestly my favorite restaurant here in Fredericksburg.